Now Toyota takes action. Tesla's innovations drive EV overhaul. Let me tell you about the influence of Tesla's production innovations on Toyota electric vehicles strategy. It has been reported that Toyota conducted a teardown of Tesla's best-selling car, the Model Y, and was left in awe of its disruptive manufacturing processes and technology. Toyota now recognizes the need to match Tesla's design and manufacturing innovations if it wants to drive down production costs and develop a high-margin electric vehicle business. According to Reuters, Toyota is planning a factory overhaul as part of its efforts to develop a new dedicated platform for electric vehicles. The new EV platform would be the result of a comprehensive review of company's electric vehicle strategy that was undertaken last year. Koji Sato, Toyota's new CEO, may confirm the development of a new EV architecture at its first briefing as the company's chief executive this Friday, tomorrow on Good Friday. Toyota has been criticized for its slow adoption of battery electric cars with the company's current production architecture. The ETNGA system that was launched 2019 produced EVs alongside gasoline cars and hybrids on the same assembly line. However, Toyota has seen the global demand for electric cars outspace its modest estimates, with sales of its battery electric crossover, the BZ4X, limited and facing an early recall over loose wheels. In contrast, Toyota's constant innovations have been implemented with the Model Y, making it a tour de force of technology and disruptive manufacturing processes. Thanks to these innovations and cost optimizations, Tesla is estimated to have made nearly 8 times the profit per car as Toyota for the third quarter, and I've reported that at Torque News YouTube channel. Toyota's lack of electric vehicles seems to be affecting the company's sales already. In the first quarter of 2023, Toyota's US sales fell by nearly 9%, while General Motors experienced an 18% boost, partly driven by higher demand for electric vehicles from fleet and commercial customers. Data from S&P Global Mobility also suggests that Toyota and Honda have seen many customers switch to electric vehicles. Christopher Richter, an analyst at CLSA, highlighted that Toyota needs to prioritize electric vehicles over the hybrids in its future production. Some of the statements that came out of Toyota when Akio Toyoda was CEO sort of made it sound kind of like the hybrids are going to be there forever. No, it's your standby, it's your hedge. EVs have to be first, Richter said. Catherine Garcia, director of the Clean Transportation for All campaign at the Sierra Club, emphasized that if Toyota doesn't focus more on electric vehicles under CEO Koji Sato, the company risks, quote-unquote, leaving money on the table as electric vehicles become more prominent. The influence of Tesla's production innovations on Toyota's electric strategy highlights the importance of disruptive innovation in the auto industry. Tesla's focus on innovation and cost optimization has enabled the company to lead the market in electric vehicle sales and profits, leaving traditional automakers struggling to keep up. Toyota's recognition on the need to match Tesla's innovations is a positive step towards the development of a more competitive electric vehicle market, and you guys are going to benefit from that. As always, we will keep you updated on any further developments. Thanks for your tuning to today's breaking news. What do you think about Toyota's this change that is coming regarding electric vehicles? The secret to Tesla Cybertruck's impressive range is unveiled. Now, is this impressive and game changer or inadequate? I'm gonna tell you now. Electric vehicle enthusiasts and Tesla fans around the world are eagerly awaiting the highly anticipated Cybertruck, and now we may have just gotten a sneak peek at one of its most important features. Tesla's Master Plan Part 3 white paper includes a table detailing the battery pack size for its exciting and future vehicles. And guess what? The Cybertruck's battery size has been revealed. The table lists the battery pack size for the Cybertruck as 100 kilowatt-hour, the same as the Model X sedan and Model X SUV. However, this battery size may come as a surprise to some, as the Cybertruck is a substantially larger and likely heavier vehicle than either of those two models, and you were expecting a bigger battery. So what does this mean for the Cybertruck's range? Well, the dual-motor all-wheel drive version of the Cybertruck was announced to have a range of about 300 miles per charge. If Tesla can achieve this impressive range with just a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack, it would be quite an accomplishment, especially considering that other all-electric pickup trucks in the market today, such as the Rivian R1T and the Ford F-150 Lightning, utilize battery packs that are larger than 100 kilowatt-hour to achieve over 300 miles of range. Rivian's large pack for the R1T, for example, is listed at 135 kilowatt-hour, and the Lightning's extended range pack is at 131 kilowatt-hour. So if Tesla can give the Cybertruck over 300 miles of range with a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack, it would make the all-electric pickup truck one of the most efficient in its segment. This should provide the Cybertruck with more credibility among pickup trucks buyers, some of whom likely consider range as a key factor in their vehicle purchases. But let's not forget that the Cybertruck is more than just a pickup truck with impressive range. Its futuristic design and cutting-edge features are sure to turn heads on the road. From its bulletproof exterior to its expensive touchscreen dashboard, the Cybertruck is a true game changer in the world of electric vehicles, especially in the world of electric pickup trucks. With its slick design and impressive range, the Tesla Cybertruck is sure to appeal to a wide range of diverse drivers, from electric vehicle enthusiasts to pickup truck loyalists. And now, with the reveal of its battery size, we can't wait to see what else Tesla has in store for this groundbreaking electric pickup truck. Now, thanks for turning to this exciting Tesla news update. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on the latest electric vehicles and tech innovations. The highly anticipated Tesla Cybertruck has been the talk of the town since its announcement back in 2019. With its futuristic design and impressive specifications, it's no wonder that the Cybertruck has garnered so much attention. But one question that has been on the minds of Tesla enthusiasts and those people who are interested to buy the Cybertruck is the battery size of the Cybertruck. The company has been tight-lipped about the crucial detail, leaving many to speculate about what kind of battery the Cybertruck will use. In fact, we're hearing more and more about Cybertruck. I just saw a video where Tesla was test driving the Cybertruck on bumpy roads. Now, however, a recent update to the Master Plan Part 3 with white paper, which I just discussed, has some details on that. The document includes a table showing the company's planned vehicle fleet and their expected battery pack size, and to the surprise of many, like I said, the Cybertruck was listed alongside the Model S and Model X with a battery pack size of 100 kilowatt hour.